Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss polynomials, exercise 3.2. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the zeros of a polynomial. In this session, we are going to discuss how to draw the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Dear students, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see question number 3. Draw the graph of the given polynomial and find the zeros. Justify your answer. First here we need to take the graph. We need to draw the graph of the polynomial. Then from graph to we need to find zeros. Again the justification also we can do. So now first one you can see here, given polynomial is p of x equal x square minus x minus 12 is given. So given polynomial equal x square minus x minus 12. Now we need to take the box. In the box x values, and here p of x is given. Sometimes they are giving here y also they are giving. What is there mentioned, that one only we need to take. P of x, then next pairs. Now x values are assumption values. So how to take the assumption values? Minus 3 to 3 you can take. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that we can take. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now given polynomial is first one, p of x equal x square minus x minus 12. Now we can substitute x value, you can take 3. So x equal to minus 3, sorry. X equal to minus 3. So x value we are putting minus 3. So p of minus 3 equal minus 3 whole square minus 3 of minus 3 minus 12, that equal minus 3 whole square. So minus 3 whole square means minus 3 into minus 3, that is minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. So minus into minus plus 3 minus 12, that equal plus 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3, that is 12 minus 12, that equal 0 we are getting. So here you can take p of x value, we got 0. So the pair is, first we need to write x coordinate, then next p of x means it is the y coordinate. Next second one I am taking x equal to minus 2, I am taking x value I am taking as a minus 2. So p of minus 2 equal minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus 12. So minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Here minus of minus 2 means bracket means into. Minus into minus plus 2 minus 12. That equal. This both are plus. You can add it. 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12. 1 plus 1 minus. We need to subtract. Means minus 6 we are getting. So here minus 6. So the pair is minus 2 comma minus 6. Next, here third one, x equal to minus 1 you can take. So x equal to minus 1 means we can get p of minus 1 equal minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 12, that equal minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. Minus of minus, minus into minus, that is plus 1, minus 12 as it is. So 1 plus 1, that is 2, minus 12. So 2 minus 12, that one we are getting minus 10 we can get. So minus 10. So what is the pair here? Minus 1 comma minus 10. Now here remaining one also we can find. So I will rub and I will. Now fourth, x equal to 0. So x value we are taking as a 0. In this p of x in we need to substitute. So p of 0 equal 0 whole square minus 0 minus 12. So 0 whole square means 0 minus 12. That equal 0 minus 0, 0 only. 0 minus 12, that is we are getting minus 12. So here we are getting minus 12. Means 0 comma minus 12. Next, fifth value I am taking as x equal to 1 I am taking. So x equal to 1 means p of 1 equal 1 whole square minus 1 minus 12. 1 whole square means that is 1 minus 1 minus 12. 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled means it is remained, minus 12 is remained. So minus 12. So that pair is 1 comma minus 12. Next, x value I am taking as 2 I am taking. So this is sixth one. X value is 2. So p of 2 equal 2 whole square minus 2 minus 12. 2 whole square. So 2 whole square means 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 minus 2 minus 12. This both are minus. So you can add it. Means why we are getting minus 14 we can get. Plus 4 minus 14. That is we can get minus 10. So that minus 10. Now this pair we can get here 2 comma minus 10. Next, seventh one, x equal to 3 you can take. So x equal to 3 means p of 3 equal 3 whole square minus 3 minus 12. 3 whole square. 3 whole square means 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 minus 3 minus 12. So 9 minus 3 minus 12, both are same sign. So we can add it. So that is minus 15 we are getting. Now 9 is the plus, 15 is the minus. 1 plus 1 minus, we need to subtract. So here 15 to 9 subtracting means we can get 6. That is bigger number sign we need to write. 15 is the bigger number, that sign is 6 minus that sign only we need to take. Now last one it is here you can write the pair also, you can write it here. We got here x equal to 3 means minus 6 we got it, 3 comma minus 6. Next, eighth one. So up to here minus 3 to 3 only we need to take. So but here only 1 0 only we got, that's why only we are taking as 4 5 like that. So here negative direction we got it 1 0. So that's why only I am taking as a positive direction. Means x equal 4. So p of 4 equal 4 whole square minus 4 minus 12. 4 whole square. 4 whole square means 4 into 4, that is 16. 16 minus 4 minus 12, that is minus 16. Plus 16 minus 16 get cancelled, that value we are getting 0. So here 0. Now 4 comma 0. Now here this pairs we can plot on the graph sheet. We are getting the zeros. So here these pairs are minus 3 comma 0, minus 2 comma 6, minus 1 comma 10, 0 comma minus 12, 1 comma minus 12, 2 comma minus 10, 3 comma minus 6, 4 comma 0. We can plot on the graph sheet. We are getting the zeros. Now see here. Now let us see this is the graph sheet. You have to think the graph sheet. So this is the parallel to the base is called x-axis. This is x-axis. Perpendicular to the base is called y-axis. So on x-axis and y-axis intersecting point is 0. 0 right side values are positive values. 0 left side values are negative values. Above the 0 positive values. Below the 0 negative values. So I took here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the right side of the 0. Left side of the 0 also -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 I took. On x-axis I took 1 unit. On the y-axis above the 0 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and below the 0 -1, -2, -3, -5, -4 so on I took. So above the 0 I took positive values, below the 0 I took negative values. Now here I written the pairs also I written. Actually we got that pairs from the table too we got it. So now we can see here first pair it is -3, 0. -3, 0 means it is -3 is the x coordinate, y is the 0 is the y coordinate. Means here x is 3, y is 0. Means we are getting here. Next -2, -6. This is minus, x coordinate is -6 and y coordinate is x coordinate is -2, y coordinate is -6. So we can get here. Next -1, -10. X coordinate is -1, y coordinate is -10. Means we can get here. Next 0, -12. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 12, -12. Next 1, -12. Same, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is -12. Means we can get here. 2, -10. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is -10. Next 3, -6. So x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is -6. Next 4, 0. X coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 0. Now just we can join the points. Like this we are getting. So where it is intersecting the curve, that is the zeros of the polynomial. So where it is intersecting -3 and here 4. So here -3, 0 and 4, 0. Only we need to take the x coordinates only we need to take. Therefore zeros of P of x equal x coordinate is -3 and here also x coordinate is 4. -3 and 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So this is about the graph. Must and should we need to write the scale. So for scale also we have the marks. So on x-axis 1 centimeter equal only I took 1 unit, means 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal, on y-axis also I took 1 unit only I took, that is 1 unit. So this is about the graph. From the graph we got it. The zeros of P of x is -3 and 4 we got it. Justification also there. The justification also we can see here. Now justification. Given P of x equal x square minus x minus 12 it is given. So we need to find the zeros. To find the zeros of P of x. So P of x equal 0 we can take. So P of x means x square minus x minus 12 equal 0. So here we need to take the factors. X square coefficient is 1 and constant term is 12. So 1 into 12 we can take as a 12. 12 how many times we can write it? 1 12 2 6 3 4. So if we can add or subtract we can get the middle term. Middle term coefficient of x, that is 1. 1 we need. So this first both we can add it. 1 plus 12 that is 13. We are not getting the middle term 1. Subtract 12 minus 1 that is 11. It is not worked out as. This one you can see 2 plus 6 that is 8. 6 minus 2 that is 4. But here middle term only 1 is there. So it is also not worked out as. This one you can check it. Adding means we are getting 7 we are getting. Subtract 4 minus 3, we can get 1. But here minus 1 is there. For bigger number you can give minus, smaller number you can give the plus symbol. Means x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. So in this x as a common, so x plus 3. So in this minus 4 we can take the common, means x plus 3. So 4 3 is a 12, minus we are changing, we are taking the common, means we can change the sign, that equal 0. So here x plus 3, here also x plus 3. So x plus 3 total you can take the common. So we are taking common, means here remained x and here remained minus 4 equal 0. Now 0 we can write individually. So x plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So this plus 3 you can transpose, x equal minus 3, x equal 4. So here we got the zeros minus 3 and 4. Therefore, the zeros of p of x equal minus 3 and 4. So here we got the, from graph also we got minus 3 and 4 only. In both ways we got the same zeros. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on same type of problem, that is how to draw the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.